I inherited a piece of brass and decided to make a chisel plane. The hock blade is 1.25 inch straight edge plain iron. I used 120 grit sandpaper to clean the surfaces in preparation for bluing. I then trued the edge and squared the end. I then used Dykem blue and did the layout with a scratch awl. I then cut the stock apart into sections with a hacksaw. Here I'm using a flag cutter to put the 15-degree bed angle on the plane. I then sanded all the surfaces to 220 grit. I then tapped the plane body with a 1032 tap in 2 places. I had some leftover wood from a rolling pin I made the wife, so I started the process of making a knob. Here I've laid out the lever cap. The small drill is a 21, which is a pilot hole for a 1032 tap. The next one is a 3/16, and the largest one is a 31/64. I find it useful to start the tap by hand with the drill press. That way it gets perfectly perpendicular. Here I'm chamfering the slot top hole so that when you have the screw, the lever cap doesn't wander when it's tightened down. Here I'm squaring the vise to the size to make sure I cut the slot parallel to the sides of the lever cap. I used a sander and an angle plate to create that profile on the front bevel. This is the finished plane with my logo stamped on it. The plane is 6.5 inches long, 1.25 inches wide, and has a 15-degree bed angle.